heat levels. And then this, the little 3 lines with the bullets, change it from the H3, H2, here's the H3, H1, H2, to the actual temperature. So we'll start at, 70, let's say we like it between 70 and 72. Let's make it 71. I can feel the heat already. And the nice thing about this is it oscillates. So that'll distribute the heat more evenly throughout the room. The arrow, which activates the battery, and then you can stop it from oscillating. You can increase or decrease with the remote. Set a timer. And it powers down slowly, which is nice. Lastly, another feature I want to show you is that if it's a little warm, you don't have to grab the front. There's a handle here. You could just lift it up. It's really light. I mean, I don't know, a couple pounds, but this is a really nice feature.